Quibi is a brand new streaming service that's optimized for mobile devices. Quibi is short for quick bites, so all of the content available on the app is kept to short episodes, perfect for you to take a quick break during your workday. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get a free trial of the new Quibi streaming service. Now let's get started. You can download Quibi from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android devices. The service is only available on mobile devices. The app itself is free to download. To start off, Quibi has 50 original shows debuting on their app. Their content is star-studded, featuring popular celebrities like Chrissy Teigen, Zac Efron, Liam Hemsworth, and Jennifer Lopez. They're offering a free 90-day trial for new users. Once your download of the app is complete, go ahead and open it. To start signing up, tap Start 90-Day Free Trial. Now type in your email address. Tap the arrow on the right to move on. Enter a password, then tap the checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Tap the arrow when you're ready to move on. Choose the year you were born and your gender, then tap Create My Account. Choose whether you'd like regular Quibi or Quibi ad-free. The regular membership will cost $6.99 a month after your free trial ends, and the ad-free version will run you $9.99 a month after the free trial. Pricing may vary depending on where you live. If you're planning to cancel before the end of the trial to avoid being charged at all, you might as well pick the ad-free version so you don't have to watch ads during your trial. Select the option you want to go with, then tap Start 90-Day Free Trial. You'll need to agree to the subscription billing policy to move on. After that, you're all set to start streaming on Quibi. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.